Friends, we learn words of eat. Na eat need means garas. Na eat need means garas. Sa eat seed means bee. Sa eat seed means bee. Ina seed means paहिले. Sa eat seed means paहिले. Keep means ठेवणे. Keep means ठेवणे. Eat feed means पाऊस. Feed means पाऊस. Eat field means वाटणे. Eat field means वाटणे. Eat sweet means गोड. Eat sweet गोड. Green means हिरवा. Green means हिरवा. Three means तीन. Three means तीन. Free means मोकळा. Free means मोकळा. Sheep means मेंढी. Sheep means मेंढी. Chick means गाढव. Chick means गाढव. Sleep means झोपणे. Sleep means झोपणे.
Very well done. Claps. Go.